Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Lavanya from Chhattisgarh. So in this video, I'm going to talk about, quite interesting topic which is social media. Nowadays we are habitual to scroll phone. There is number of apps, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, WhatsApp. Sometimes what happens, we are addicted to social media. Why we are addicted to social media? Just because during scroll a phone, so that time we feel very motivated and we feel very happy. Just because dopamine release happy hormone, so that's why. So how to remove? This is your question. So if you are a student, if you are a working, if you are a homemaker, so first of all I am talking about student. You really want to study, sometimes what happen, we will go study, so that time we don't want to speak our study, just because in our mind there is full of question. Why? Just because we consume related to social media, so that's why, and there is no any answer. So how to remove our question, in your question also, in my question also. So how to remove? What happened while we go for study, so that time we feel laziness, we feel bored, just because there is no any happiness, so that's why this kind of issue in our mind also. So if you are a student, okay, and you want to really want to stick your goal, because we have goal, we want to achieve our goal, but what happened, we are struggling our goal, there is no any set time. So first of all, set your time. You have app, Insta app, you have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, you have Snapchat. So first of all, please delete these kind of app, just because while we during our study, so that times we distract these apps, so that's why this kind of happen in our side during your study, so that time switch off your phone. What happened, we want to sometime attend online class, so this is not possible to switch off our phone, so that time switch off your notification. While you are switch off your notification, so you fully focus your study, just because there is no any distractions. And apart from, you are a job holder and you are a homemaker, we are a job holder and we are a businessman. So sometimes what happen, we want to use social media, so that times we want to only 5 minutes and hardly 10 minutes, but sometimes what happen, hours and hours we are using, just because that times while during use of social media, so that time dopamine release, happy hormone, so that's why that time we feel very motivated and we feel very happy, so that's why we want to watch again and again reels, so this kind of happen in our mind also. So how to remove, so first of all, shift your thought. While you are shifting your thought, so there is no any distraction. And apart from, I am talking about apart from homemaker, if you are a homemaker and you have time, afternoon time, so that times study, you study yourself and you have children, so you can go and teach, so it's helpful for your children also. And you want to interested related to any kind of cuisine, so you can go and watch and you read also. While you are reading, so that times your mind also fresh. Okay. And student, like what happened, I already told you, remove all these kind of stuff. So what we will do, sometimes what happen, we feel bored, and sometimes what happen, we want to fun, but we want to fun, so there is no any app how to fun. This is your question. So there is number of outdoor game also. You are interested to cricket, you are interested to volleyball, you are interested to basketball, you are interested to badminton. So you can go and play. So it's helpful for you. And sometimes walking, we want to do meditation, we want to read, but there is number of question in our mind, so that's why we distract. So don't think this kind of, and stop your using social media while you're using. So that times you ask yourself, now I'm using social media, it's work for me, it's work for me, this is not work for you, this is not work for you. So stop your social media and shift your mind, learning new things related to, you want to related to consume English related content, so you can go and search my channel and you watch. So it's helpful for you and learn new things, because while you're learning new things, it's helpful for your career and what you want to, so that times you easily achieve your goal also. So that's why I'm talking. Earlier I come across one channel, so there is, I'm researching one thing. In our India, 7 to 8 hours we are using social media. Every day we touch 2617 times. Can you believe it? Just because we are addicted to social media. And Bangladesh lowest like 5.6, and in a USA highest 8 to 9. Yeah, so these kind of I research. So don't use social media, because while you are using, so that times you feel anxiety, depression, just because of and sometimes what happens, we don't want to stick our goal just because of distraction. So this is my point of view. Engage another thing, learn new thing, whatever you want to, stick your goal and ask yourself, this is work for me, this is work for me. So yes, I do. This is not work for me, this is not work for me, so I don't want to watch. Got it? Thing I'm sharing, what happened while we are using in a social media. So there is, sometimes while we post reels and post photos, so there is sometimes what happen, our family, friends, an unknown person, sometimes like our post, share our post and comment. So that time we feel very happy, just because dopamine boost, one like dopamine boost, share dopamine boosts also come in. So don't boost your dopamine, got it? Because this is not good for your health. Stop watching, and sometimes what happens, we want to watch. So stick your time like 5 to 10 minutes, it's enough, and sometimes 1 hour it's okay. But don't use too much, don't addict it too much. Got it? You utilize your time, you utilize your time, you manage your time, and then work in yourself. So it's helpful for you. Keep learning, keep smiling. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर, एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.